guys, welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda, and today I'm going to be baking pastelito de guayaba y queso. Basically, it's puff pastry with guava paste and cream cheese. It's a very simple recipe. Anybody can do it, even my husband.
What?
The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are puff pastry sheets, guava paste, cream cheese, and confectionery sugar. You're also going to need a sheet pan with some parchment paper. Okay guys, so I have everything already prepped. I have my guava cut into pieces, my cream cheese also cut into pieces, and also the puff pastry sheets. I also have them cut up into squares. So now I'm going to start assembling. I'm going to do half guava with cream cheese and the other half just with guava. You could put as much or as little as you want of the guava in the cream cheese. So I'm gonna grab the guava. Place it right here in the center. Put a piece of cheese. Continue. What I'm gonna do, okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna place the other sheet on top. Also, if you want, if this is optional, you can also put on the top some egg wash. So I have my little brush here. This is gonna give it a golden brown look. We don't have any white spots. So now these will go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown at 400 degrees. In the oven they go. So these have cooled for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna place them on the plate. And then I'm gonna dress them up with confectionery sugar. Now I'm gonna place the sugar on top. And also wanted to let you know that these took about 15 minutes. So keep an eye on them because they cook quickly. Love a lot of sugar. So this is the final result. Let me know if you try this recipe, and thank you for watching.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe. You better like, share,
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.